Ever wondered how great ideas make the leap from lab to real world production? Well, let me tell you about the unsung heroes that make that magic happen. See, a pilot plant is the amazing small scale facility where we can test out new processes and materials before investing in full scale manufacturing. It is where we get our hands dirty, working through all the nitty gritty details to make sure things run smoothly when we scale up. Why are pilot plants so crucial? Well, they let us experiment without the huge cost and risk of jumping straight into large scale production. In this controlled environment, we can fine tune every parameter, check for quality, and work out any potential challenges before they become big problems. The data we collect from these pilot plant trials is pure gold. It tells us if a process is truly feasible, helps us optimize costs, and give us a clear picture of what resources we will need. All that insight makes a huge difference when it's time to take things to next level. From pharmaceuticals to specialty chemicals, pilot plants are powering innovations across industries. They are not just about saving time and money, they are about bringing bold new ideas to life and turning visions into reality. So, if you have got an exciting new concept you are ready to scale up, let's talk. I would love to show you how our pilot plant expertise at Xytel can transform your innovation from lab to life.